On behalf of TVLesson.com, I'm Dr. Carol Clark, a sex therapist with drcarolclark.com. Let's talk a little bit about what codependency is in regards to sex addiction. Codependence is when someone is involved with an addict. So they are codependent because both people are wrapped up in that addiction. And in sex addiction, codependents often want to say, wait a minute, I don't have a problem. He has the problem. This has nothing to do with me. I want to be intimate, I want to be connected, and I want to be good enough for him. But codependency is when the codependent, the person involved with the addict, is actually trying to avoid their own pain, avoid some issue from their own lives by focusing on the addict. And so their lives become wrapped up in what the addict is doing, what the addict is thinking. You know, they can't have their own feelings or thoughts because it's all based on what is the addict going to think or do or say next. And as long as the codependent can point to the addict and say, well, this is his problem, he has the problem, it's nothing to do with me, then they don't have to look at themselves. And it's not that the codependent is in any way to blame for the addict's behavior. She is not. But she does have something that drew her to the addict to begin with. Some underlying fear of intimacy, even though consciously she says, I want to be intimate. But underneath, unconsciously, there's some fear of intimacy that drew her to someone who had their own built-in fear of intimacy and was putting off that vibe that, no, you can come so close, but no closer. There's something there that's going to keep us a little bit apart. And that's a little bit about codependency. On behalf of TVLesson.com, this has been Dr. Carol Clark. Thank you for watching.